Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve mole problems in Graham's law. So number one, what is the relative rate of diffusion of ammonia compared to helium? Does ammonia effuse faster or slower than helium? So that's a problem again. So solution. So the rate 1 is a problem number 1. So rate 1 is equals to ammonia and rate 2 is equals to helium. So we use again the formula. Solution. We have rate 1 over rate 2 is equals to square root of molecular mass of 2 over molecular mass of 1. And then the molecular mass of helium is equals to 4.003 grams per mole of helium. And then the ammonia, molar mass of ammonia, which is 14.01 plus 3 times 1.008 is equals to 14.01 plus 3 times 1.008 is equals to 17.034 grams per mole of ammonia. And then let's start to solve the formula again. So rate 1 is ammonia and rate 2 is helium. So rate of ammonia over the rate of helium is equals to the square root of the 4.003 grams per mole of helium. So 4.003 grams per mole of helium over the 17.034 grams per mole of ammonia. So 17.034 grams per mole of ammonia. Okay, so rate of helium is equals to 1. So if you multiply 1 here, so it should be the same. So rate of ammonia is equals to square root of 4.003 over 17.034 is equals to 0.2350, and then rate of ammonia is equals to square root of 0.2350 is equals to 0.49 ammonia effuses slower. Right? Did you understand it? So that is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay. So how about in problem number 2? We have a problem number 2 here. If the helium in problem number 1 takes 20 seconds to effuse, how long will ammonia take? So we have a given here, a 20 seconds of effuse. Okay. So number 2, solution. We have a given here in problem number 1. So the rate of ammonia, which is 0.49. So right here, 0. Rate of ammonia is equals to 0.49. So we have a 20 seconds to effuse in helium. 20 seconds effused. We have a 20 seconds effused. So let's solve. So rate of ammonia is equals to 20 seconds over 0.49. So rate of ammonia is equals to 20 divided by 0.49. And we have 40.81 seconds. So that is your answer. Alright, that's all. Please like and subscribe.